Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Toyota 2.5 hybrid A25A-FXS engine is a cornerstone of Toyota's modern hybrid lineup, a direct evolution of their highly efficient dynamic force engine philosophy. It's specifically designed for hybrid applications and found in a wide array of popular Toyota and Lexus models, including the Camry Hybrid, RAV4 Hybrid, Highlander Hybrid, Sienna Hybrid, and Lexus ES 300h divided by N times 300h. Review and opinions. Overall, the A25A-FXS is overwhelmingly praised for its exceptional fuel efficiency, smoothness, and proven reliability within Toyota's hybrid synergy drive system. Owners often highlight the seamless transition between electric and gasoline power and a quiet operation, especially at lower speeds. Performance. While focused on efficiency, the engine, when combined with the electric motors, provides ample power for daily driving, highway cruising, and even decent acceleration. The complete system output, engine plus electric motors, is what truly defines its performance. Reliability. This engine, integrated into Toyota's long-standing hybrid system, benefits from an outstanding reputation for durability. Many owners report high mileage with minimal issues, reinforcing Toyota's strong track record in hybrid technology. It's often cited as one of Toyota's best engines for efficiency and reliability. Driving experience. The hybrid system offers a refined driving experience, with the electric motors handling low-speed propulsion and supplementing the gasoline engine for acceleration, leading to a very quiet and comfortable ride. Advantages. Outstanding fuel economy. This is the primary advantage. The A25A-FXS, operating on an Atkinson cycle and seamlessly integrated into the hybrid synergy drive, achieves very high thermal efficiency, often cited around 41% or higher in hybrid applications, leading to class-leading fuel consumption figures. Smoothness and refinement. The hybrid system's ability to operate on electric power at low speeds and during light loads, combined with the inherently smooth nature of the A25A-FXS engine, results in a remarkably quiet and refined driving experience. Dual injection system, D4S combines port fuel injection, PFI, and direct injection, DI, which helps to minimize carbon buildup on intake valves, a common concern with purely direct injected engines. This also optimizes fuel delivery for various driving conditions. Atkinson cycle operation. Specifically tuned for hybrid use, the Atkinson cycle maximizes efficiency by keeping intake valves open longer during the compression stroke, effectively reducing the compression ratio while maintaining a high expansion ratio. VVIE, electronic variable valve timing. Precise electronic control of valve timing further optimizes efficiency and performance. Proven hybrid synergy drive. HSD. The engine is part of a mature and highly reliable hybrid system that has been refined over decades. This integration contributes significantly to the overall durability and efficiency. Lower emissions. Hybrid systems naturally produce lower emissions, especially in urban driving scenarios. Disadvantages. Complexity. Despite its reliability, the A25A-FXS engine, as part of a sophisticated hybrid powertrain, is technologically complex. This means that if major repairs are needed, they can be more involved and potentially more expensive than a conventional gasoline engine. EGR system concerns. Historical/early models similar to the A25FKS, early iterations of the dynamic force engines, including the A25FXS up to early 2022, had some reports of EGR, exhaust gas recirculation, cooler corrosion, and coolant leaks. Toyota has addressed this through recalls in some markets and warranty work in others. There have also been discussions about condensation in the EGR system emulsifying with oil, potentially triggering fault codes, though Toyota has reportedly acknowledged this without a broad solution beyond oil changes. Specific recalls. While generally reliable like any engine, there have been very specific and limited recalls, such as for oversized pistons in a small batch of 2018 Camry models, or high-pressure fuel pump issues in certain 2023 series. These are typically resolved under warranty. Not a driver's car engine. Generally, while capable, the primary focus is efficiency and smooth operation rather than raw power or a highly engaging exhaust note. Those seeking a sporty feel might find it lacks the immediate punch of a turbocharged engine, though the electric assist provides strong initial acceleration. Faults and breakdowns. As a modern Toyota hybrid engine, widespread, catastrophic failures are rare. The most discussed potential issues are related to the EGR system, specifically EGR cooler corrosion/leaks. This was a concern on earlier models, where corrosion could lead to coolant leaking into the engine. Toyota has addressed this through various means. EGR condensation/oil emulsification. Some reports suggest condensation from the EGR system, particularly in short trip driving, can lead to emulsification with engine oil and trigger fault codes. Regular oil changes and occasional longer drives to fully warm up the engine can help mitigate this. Other very specific issues, like the piston recall for a limited batch of 2018 Camrys or high-pressure fuel pump recalls for certain 2023 models, are typically isolated and handled by Toyota. Fuel consumption. This is where the A25A-FXS truly shines. Its integration into the hybrid system allows for exceptional fuel economy, varying slightly by vehicle. Combined cycle. Expect figures often in the range of 4.5 to 5.5 liters per 100 kilometers, approximately 43 to 52 mpg US, depending on the vehicle model, e.g., Camry Hybrid, RAV4 Hybrid, Highlander Hybrid. This makes it one of the most fuel-efficient non-PHEV internal combustion engine powertrains available. Urban driving. Hybrid systems are particularly efficient in city driving due to frequent reliance on electric power. Timing. The Toyota A25A-FXS engine uses a timing chain. Timing chains are designed to be maintenance-free for the life of the engine under normal operating conditions and typically do not require periodic replacement like timing belts, which is a significant long-term cost saving. Oil. Viscosity. The primary recommended oil viscosity for the A25A-FXS is SAE 0W16. For very recent models, e.g., 2025 Camry Hybrid, Toyota might specify 0W8. If the primary recommended oil is unavailable, 0W20 can often be used temporarily, but should be replaced with the specified viscosity at the next oil change. Capacity. Approximately 4.5 to 4.8 quarts, 4.3 to 4.5 liters, with a filter change. Recommendations. Always refer to your specific vehicle's owner's manual for the precise and most up-to-date oil specifications. Use high-quality synthetic motor oil that meets Toyota's standards, often API SN Plus or SP, and ILSAC GF6A. Many owners choose to perform oil changes more frequently than the factory's extended intervals, e.g., every 8,000 kilometers or 5,000 miles, for optimal longevity, especially with the complexities of modern engines and hybrid operation. Versions. The A25FXS designation signifies its key characteristics. A. Engine series, part of the dynamic force engine family. 25. 2.5-liter displacement. A. Specific variant within the 2.5 series. F. Normal cylinder head, DOHC, double overhead camshaft. X. Denotes a hybrid application. S. D. 4S gasoline direct injection. The A25A-FXS is specifically designed and optimized for hybrid vehicle applications, featuring a higher compression ratio, e.g., 14.0 to 1, compared to its non-hybrid A25FKS counterpart. It's paired with Toyota's Hybrid Synergy Drive, THS2, system, which includes electric motors, a power split device, and a battery. It is widely deployed across Toyota and Lexus's hybrid lineup. Toyota Camry Hybrid, Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, Toyota Highlander Hybrid, Toyota Sienna Hybrid, Lexus ES 300h, Lexus NX 300h, Toyota Crown, in some markets. History. The A25A-FXS engine as part of Toyota's new dynamic force engine lineup, and the Toyota New Global Architecture, TNGA, was first introduced around 2017 to 2018. It debuted notably in the redesigned 2018 Toyota Camry Hybrid 1570 generation. This engine represented a significant step forward for Toyota's hybrid technology, combining their renowned hybrid synergy drive with a new generation of internal combustion engines that prioritize thermal efficiency. Its development aimed to achieve even greater fuel economy and lower emissions, while maintaining the legendary reliability that Toyota hybrids are known for, effectively replacing older 2.5 hybrid engines and becoming the workhorse for many of Toyota's and Lexus's most popular hybrid vehicles. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.